Welcome back for your favorite video channel. Yes, man. One of your favorite video channel people. Welcome back. It's your Thursday evening video as promised. Why people, as me say, you know. A little thing me see a brew in a social media. When it's not one, it's the other. And right now it's not just the other. And the other and the other. I told me can't hear before going 3 videos for the day today. Me only go on 2. And save the next one till the morning. You understand? And hope that me find something so I can get 2 for tomorrow also. Because last week social media was so calm. What me say? People, for a long while, at the first me say social media so calm for almost a week. It will calm for a day or 2, but never so long. Last week is almost a week social media calm for. And all of a sudden this week, this a story, that the story, this a person, that the person. Well, you watch this morning video, not most of you, because some of you who watch this might not watch this morning video, because based on the views that I've seen on this morning video with Curly, going after Dwayne, seems as if Dwayne said something. I don't go in search of that video because to buck up on fair one and this one, but based on what Curly is saying, Dwayne was on his platform saying things and calling her caca high and all kind of sitting her nickname, because he has claimed that Curly come out and call him handicap and all kind of something, and him disabled and whatsoever. And as you know, here in the video where she tried to clear and clarify herself, said she was just giving him compliment. Come on, that's not compliment. For those of you who watch the video, that's not compliment. And we know that wasn't compliment. That was in a little smart way trying to tell him about his disability. You understand? Trying to tell him about his disability in a smart way. And she said she are complimenting because him disabled and him can't able to go work. Why you tell him say him can't able to go work? You disabled too. You not can't go work and you're not working. You wanna pretend like you do some days work or some form of work. You're not working. You understand? Because if you were working, you wouldn't have so much time on your hands to do all what you're doing and videotaping and doing lives and all kind of stuff. So you are disabled and you're not working. And you is a more fitter and stronger disabled person than Dewiesha. But it's still I tell him can't go work. So why you not see you can't go work too? Him sit down on social media every day and you talk about a compliment that. You tell the man about him disability, man, in a smart way. So what happened now? Such woman down at Portland, you know, she and none of the two of them is not friends like that. But here one now, she's more against Dewiesha. Because things that Dewiesha has said, probably things that Dewiesha has said about her, she's more against Dewiesha. So what happened now? It seems like she get the live with Curly do, which is the one that you see me play this morning and dissect. And she were over on her platform playing it and do her thing as usual. And it's like Dwayne get a whole of it. And Dwayne never like it. So instead of Dwayne come out with Curly, Dwayne come out with such woman, the Portlander. And me I tell you, in a horse racing terms, them say sometime some horse come well prepared and trained for running a race. Whether and come to win the race. But sometimes, I know him alone come to win the race, but to how him run poorly, them I wonder what really happened. Sometimes the jockey have experience, he may come in and he say to the trainer, say trainer XYZ, you know, or trainer, you know, say he must swallow him tongue. When I come at the quarter there, so him swallow him tongue. So he come like you have to go put the tongue type on him. All when the jockey come in and tell the trainer, say Dwayne swallow him tongue. The trainer never put no tongue type on Dwayne tongue. Dwayne go back in the next race And him tongue does a drop out, so it not swallow this time. It does a drop out, drop out, drop out. No, sir. Dwayne go on with himself. Dwayne cause tell Portland that some sitting. You don't know who me attack such a man. For a long, I tell him never, you know, irate spirit, and you know them. Him never depend that. It was so easy and calm and just attack me. I don't know if him sick or what, because him voice not sound as if the person where we know. But him was so calm. So just stay tuned and watch the whole of the video and listen. He might got touch upon Curly a little bit, you know, in the first part, and then he move on to Portland at 3/4 of the video of Portland, bro. I remember him and Curly now, we could have seen now, you know. But true, she got play the video and I say, yes, I left it to Curly. Yes, and she talk up the things the man here. Anyway, I see one next piece of sitting there going also with the slow one of England, Sophia Donkey and her neighbor. It come like she love her neighbor them boy. Cause when I know Chris a leggy. And it come like she a go at leggy, I don't know. From what day she and leggy have a little thing going, but me hear one video with her, I don't know what said lately by leggy, but she come out also. But me can't go on a 3 video today. Me not have that time there. So tomorrow morning or probably tomorrow evening, you might get a piece of that one day. So you just stay tuned and do the do. You know say it is so easy to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. It's a festive season when your favorite channel get a certain amount of ads. Don't be frustrated. Boy, I mean, I see too much ads. Watch them. It's only for a month. After the Christmas, it gone back to square one, where I get 2, 3, 1 ads, 2 ads based on what your content is all about and how much recommended your content is for you to get ads on it. Right? So only just watch them. Alright? And remember, life is a mission TV. Over there, so my backup channel get a subscription. And the channel also extended to TikTok. Life is a mission TV. Go over there. A whole heap of little thing over there. Social commentary, everything over there so too. Away from certain little things. But right now, a whole heap of social commentary where most of us overseas can be up to date of what is really going on in a Jamaica, both socially and public. Alright? So go over there and follow me on TikTok. Run it up to 1,000 quick. Because anytime I get 1,000, me I go start go live over there on a regular basis. Anytime I sit down now where I leave now my gate out the road there, so I just click my live and just go and do some live. If me out the road, because I don't have to worry about music over TikTok. You understand? Alright. Me can't go live now, you know. But I want to see how appreciative you are of me and my channels. And to give me the 1,000 subs follower over there, I go live. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please and thanks. And remember, the cash app is there, $ charms and chance. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy, not the greedy. And I don't hear my plan for the Christmas, despite we still have this month give back, you know. You understand? But we want to start the Christmas give back early. It got more started before even YouTube paid for next month, because Christmas is the 25th and YouTube pay the 22nd, 21st, and probably the based on all the week set up and when the pay come in, the time of the week, we don't want it running at Christmas. We want people to get the look of small bag of grocery. We got to look after them like a bickle who can afford Christmas dinner. Alright? So we want to do that early. So who can do it early and who want to come on board? It's not a charity. When you give me use the gift and give back to the needy. $ charms and trends, that's a cash app. And if you have Zelle, or you know have Zelle or you know have cash app, you can reach out to me 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. Bless up. Let's get right into the video. People are about to say the intro is too long, but you have to understand this is my type of way. This is how I deal in my platform. I come out here, I give you an insight of the video. I do what I have to do to promote my channels, and I do what I have to do to promote people who supports me, right? Sometimes the intro can be short, it can be long. And I try to do the intro because I teach you something. Because through no phone, you don't have no platform, you don't really understand. Because even people who have platform, they don't understand certain things. Because me come out here as a new fresh YouTuber, and there's a lot of things I learn where I share out here. I mean, know a lot of people learn from, because I've seen people doing things that they never used to do that I come out here and talk about. And there's a lot more, but some of these things I have to speak to people one-on-one to share what I know. You understand? And what I learn. I'm not going to come publicly and do it, because I don't think haters should be learning certain things from me. Certain things me just come randomly and let it out. But some, You understand what I say to you? When I have a video and I know the video is going to be like certain minutes, I try to make the intro a little longer, but entertaining and informative. Not just come out here and say, and it have nothing to do with the video when me I go do. When me I give the intro, it must be informative, giving you a awareness of what is to come in the video. So when you hear the intro, you want to sit down because you want to watch the video. And then me do my personal things like promote my channel and heal up a couple people or so. So just bear in mind and understand that. You understand? What about the people who is not coming out here to play a video, but just coming out here to talk? And at the same time, someone don't like hear some of them voice. But sometimes when I see one to complain about the intro too long. So me don't know if it please, you know. So me have to just do it myself. Just as me say, God can't please the him can, you know. But you will never see him please the whole of it one time. If me there so, I'm not saying him can't do it. Me there so, you there so, you want sun and me want rain. Yes, probably him can't do it because he's the powerhouse man. We can make rain fall right on my foot and sun come on your foot. But the rain will fall right on my foot. We are so close, it will still affect me. So what him do? Him choose who him want suit. If other man they forget the sun, him give a man the sun. If I me forget the rain, me get the rain. So what me have to do is just do what me have to do. You understand? And get the message out there and make on hear. So anyway, me I just jump into the video right now. Dwayne, I do him thing. Why? You tell me in the comment section. I've long time in I say Dwayne another mood there.
I was doing it. You know, doing one with us firstly. And you know, what me do?
I get no find my talk. That's all the time.
Me run them. I could have come to them and say, no, come off my page. I don't want this kind of energy no more in my life. I black out them backside. I black out them caca. Me black them. I me black them. I know them black them, me black them. Girl, go away. If me, the one that got something still, I will still be doing it. But look for you, one big old 50-year-old granny. Girl, go away. You can never walk in my shoes.
I said that about that.
I demon. I am not. Me live for God. You and Abraham, we are live for our social with the money and demons. That's it. Me not afraid of knowing me. Let me stay cancelled. I'm fine being cancelled. Hello people, I am fine being cancelled. Here I am fine being cancelled. You understand? You know what I mean? Come no say, when I tell my life, 5 of them have to come. 5, 7, 11 them have to come. Them all come. Even 10, 25 minutes, them all come. You know, I realize we wouldn't find out here because I'm not kiss. He, she, not only the ass, but the one like say. I am the worst out here.
Don't get impatient. He's coming to where probably don't really want to hear.
I'm a free thinker, right? Yes, it is okay to want peace, and peace was what I seeked. Me seek it for myself, and my peace, my mental freedom, I seeked it for myself. I never have to do it. I never have to do it, but I did it, right? That puts me in a different category to Nuff on what you. I'm not care. Understand? Man, man. I'm not stop. Oh, another thing more I say. Some next one, them allegedly in the ear say, me class somebody this morning. I see you always always gonna be a damn shoes lace. You're gonna be a damn shoes lace. Cuss you are cussing out, you're not stop cuss. So why do you ask me what come cuss with me? I'm not cussing with you. I will never cuss with you. You understand? Like some people like you is what I call a whirlian, and I am not a whirlian. So you stay with this so. Anything you want to say, I don't want to hear it. I hear a little piece, but I don't want to hear the rest of you say.
I'm getting at her now, so now listen up. If no one hears sister but it hear a little piece and him have so much to say, so suppose he did listen to what she has said.
Never did I ever spoke about your disability. But I made reference, but I never diss you. Listen lady, one more to instance, because you and them call me with it. My brother call me with it. My sister call me. They call me with it. Go on, no demons, go on. Come on, ass back.
Why?
Come on back.
Come on from my back. Come. Listen, come on from my. Come on from my back. Come on from my back. When you listen voice, I don't know if you know because someone might watch him regularly. He sounds sick. Or he sound like he might recover from some sickness. We're not gonna say him always sick, but we don't understand. It sound like he was down for a few days and then to recover. What? What are you? Move!
Alright, make me start over from scratch. Make me start over from scratch. Just don't say, why me start over from scratch? Me not kiss, me not ask, me not
No.
Wanna move? You are what? Peace. I made peace with the people them who in my heart me feel I've earned them. So I'm going to make peace with them. If that's not good enough for you, if that's not good enough for you, what I'm just fuck off and leave me alone. What are you about? Me not about to know now. I don't know I'm going to fuck no one I want to push the wall.
Not me though. Not me. You can't do that to me. X me out.
And yes, me know say if me bow, me able to sneer me. Some say, oh yeah, don't worry. Move fast to keep it around doing. I go to this, keep it doing. I'm in that. Make people see me for me. I want to support me for me. Try very hard for John back in on the nastiness. But see, I'm telling this. It not happen. You hear me? I know rest though. But I want to come cuss people them now. But I want to come cuss people. That's how I feel like someone can't come provoke me. But not demons. Me say you a long time. Me say you no. Move. And whoever you call me, not call me phone. Not call me phone. Don't call me phone again. Not call me.
Wanna hear that? Left, right, and center. Them are telling you to call them phone. Stop sending them things. Well, me not tell nobody to send me and everywhere me can do. All me do when me get certain things and me not want it, me throw it in the trash. When me not interested in that, me throw it in the trash. And if me find that somebody had take up themselves and send me be a garbage or regular business, me dash them. Is it that me block them or something? Because some of them are chush. You want to say things just if you come out and say certain things. And if you're not smart, they mislead you. Mislead you, remember? Just yeah, man, a class, you know? Cross is plank them. I don't know what that means, plankers. You see when the man say, I never remember how we talk and say, I wouldn't call some boy. Take a while for me to remember. I was like, how we matter? How we matter? Him a warm up here now anyway. Where so you take all that sausage them? Them now get it, you take it?
These people have been harassing me. Men I the good people met the work to them, but don't have nothing for their life. But some of social media, I harass people and bully people and gang up on people. That's all they do. And because we don't want to be them gang, they want to take say harass me and bomb.
You were a part of that, if so be the case, you were a part of it.
Why am I gonna dance so? Why is it so troublesome? Go find one man for free, go buy one dildo. Go buy one
When them hear one, no?
Hello. Hello.
When them hear one.
Shower and turn it for high power and put it there so he make gonna come move I come off my back me no want none of you me no want none of you hello I don't want none of you wanna know my thing already and it's not uno you hear I don't want none of you
Female, you hear that? The man no want none of uno. Uno planka we a female and uno blagger we a female. We a harass the man. The man say him no want none of uno. Go use the shower head or buy a deal. Take off the shower head and use the power of the water, the force where come from it and get a come. Not a go, you know, a come. Or go buy a dildo. Or if you no want one gardener rose, you know, tell me I may pick some car come good or send come good. But them the rose they gonna die before them reach you know still. So you no want some long lasting lively rose, which is the fake one. The one where you use electricity or battery to use our charge. Or go get a dildo. Because guess what? The man say, you know femme thing already. Femme thing is not about female. So, you know understand? Or you not pretend like you never hear that part there. You never hear that part there. Oh, I mean, you don't want to tell you I mix up. You don't want to get me in office say me say him a X, Y, Z. You know listen back and hear what the man say. Listen with understanding.
One is not my cup of tea. One will never be my cup of tea. I've been a cripple. One will never be my cup of tea. Can't trust me, hot boy, me hot boy. Go up on Instagram, do it for John the Sword, do it for
Hot boy, go on the man Instagram page.
look me.
Holy pound did I look the man here? The man say, and to no find out say him on a stop.
But a sad plus tax. I don't want to come from. I don't want to come from. I'm not afraid I want to. I'm not afraid. You understand? Hey, kill man from out of the house. Yeah, build 5 house to the house. 5 or 10 5 house to the house now. I don't get a move in one of your damn concrete structure. Move fast here. Your work is speed. Move fast, so your work is plus tax. Go ahead. Go ahead, girl. The damn dog. Move! Again! You can't intimidate me no day. You can't cuss me like that. You can't cuss me out here. I want to argue, birth. You know, look for your belly in front here. I'm here going to be a cuss people. Go look for your blood clad puff up. Go look for your belly in front here. You see belly? You see it?
That party me that party kind of puzzle me now. If I switch back the argument to Curly. Because such woman down a country, me no really she have no gut in front of her like that. She say she go give birth. So the party at the video kind of get me. Me I wonder if he might go cross and cross. So him deal with that one yeah, or so him deal with that one there. So him deal with that one yeah, so him be me no know, but him switch like him switch right yeah some man. Cause when him a talk about look on your gut when you go give birth, it seems like a curl him switch back the argument to yeah so. Me no know him kind of get me twisted right at a part of the video, but me I go and listen to say if me can realize what him did I say or get back to the part yeah. If not, me leave it alone. It's not so serious. Let me bust my brain about it. Where fire truck go? You me sure say I know you're so. Black like tar. You know. Black like tar, you know,
You
cute.
can't cuss me, dog. I'm saying this all to you.
Look
You
like a
can't
same
cuss
place a
nobody.
country in there.
You none of them big back man.
Black
And you
like
know you
tar,
realize
you know, cute.
the one of them over your page, the whole of them over your page, the one on
Look
read
like
the
a
same.
country still, the
Big
people.
like one blood clad ship. Big like one bumper clad.
And still their country, it seems to be, people.
You
Still don't a
can't
country.
cuss me. And you can't cuss woman either. No day. If you can cuss me, you're going to take your mouth to the blood clad fucking wooden shark. Move there, son.
All
Move.
that part there, make me confirm,
Move,
say, I
dog.
still the woman a country.
Move, fucking mongrel, dog. You're mongrel. You're damn scraps. Move. You don't realize everything you do on nice stream. Yeah, man, pause it, buddy. And what if you got 30 to 50,000? You put that forth. Move. Yeah, them have a scraps. Move. When they done watch, they done watch. I want to move. You think you win? Yeah, blood clot lose. You know win. Go away, dog. Shit drunk, go away. Sorry, people. Here's the one on crossing now. Hello. Hello, what over there? Make mistake, cancel. You know about me. Stop me, keep it down now. Go find one man to say I'm going to got you. Go find one man.
Hold on, Dwayne, hold on, Dewiesha. So, this cancel argument becomes a regular thing for people I use now. Cancel, as me say in a Jamaican terms, when a man say he go cancel you, that mean a unalive, he go unalive you. Mind people using that word in social media, pretending to be for not that type of reason that Jamaican terms on the street would have used it, and pretend as if because you used to once up here where social media and this diaspora is concerned, and now you're battering and struggling to find views and earning from social media, they said you're cancelled. Alright, for you, I can probably say it's either one of the two for you. It's either one of the two for you. And I would more probably lean on the side there, where two of them are say, boy, nothing not going for you on social media, them cancel you. But for the next man in England, where the next person to use the term, say cancel, I don't feel like it's about social media activities. You understand? I more feel like they want to see the back of that person. Because remember now, that person has a support base where platform is concerned. And as we all know, unlike the individual we are talking, we might have a one or a two, somebody who pretend to be real supporter or loyal supporter, any way you want to put it. It has proven that Your Majesty has a lot of supporters that can be proven loyal to him. And when I say loyal, I mean real loyal. And this man platform is always upon a level. Well, you know, people like platform for certain special reason. People support and follow your platform for special reason. So sometime when Cuscus are going on the platform, everybody will swarm the platform. And next time when you come out and do some like a reality speech, make some like a reality speech, you might see less numbers. And next time, like all him, he might come out and decorate a cake or bake 2 cake, you might see less numbers. Because what happened, we all know in reality, people love controversial. So once a controversial story, like cussing people, talking things, relating to people, people gather around your platform like fly a flash. You understand? Yes. So I want to know if the word cancel is a term now everybody want to use in a social media. But you have to be careful how you use the word cancel. Because Jamaican terminology for cancel, when you use it to them, is you want to see the back of them, you want to see them unalive, or you the basement how you say it, you're gonna get them unalive. Because if you come and say, hey boy, hey girl, me gonna cancel you. That simply mean you're gonna unalive them. If you use it in a different terms where you say or say it differently, I see me want soon to get cancelled. Or see me want see uno get cancelled. That simply mean you that wish many men wish that upon me. Yes, you that wish it upon them. But when you're gonna say you are gonna get them cancelled, that simply mean you definitely go and do it. If you're going to do it personally, you're going to pay if you do it, you're going to get somebody if you do it for free, or you're going to beg somebody anyway. It happened because you. So be careful, don't use the word cancel. Because if a person come out here and take it as a threat, so you're trying to tell him that you're going to analyze him. Don't come out here come say, oh no, it's because he used to want some top in social media, now he's nowhere, so I tell him that he's cancel the people. No, be careful, you can get yourself in a trouble. Them say, I know what you say is how you say it.
Blood clot commented. Yes, we used to that. Alright, my guys, alright, what's that? When I asked to come home, I'm not doing it, it not happen. When could have big like the King of England, when could have Richard, when fix a battle infection. Move, dog, you can't cost me.
What? Infect what? Injection, infection.
Move, I don't have the disease. Move. You want to come cuss me? You can't cuss me. No, they. You can't cuss me, no, they. Dog. I take that and done now. You hear? Why am I doing this? You understand? I don't have time for your nonsense. I try to be happy over here. You think I'm to give him one box when he did. Move, go never pick them. You can't cuss me. Go black about this now too. Don't make money off me. You're welcome, dog. Can people look for my live stream? You know I make dollar. Move. They don't want your foolishness. I mean I cuss you them and tell you the truth. You're bright. Are you over there? You can't stand me there. Can't you cuss about? You have it, do you hear? Me have disability, you have disability. The two of
Man, down back for Marcia now. Him switch back for Marcia now.
Me not cussing now. You do the cussing. You can do the cussing for me and you. Just don't say, you see the life?
Man, say anything you have him have it too.
Never forget
Two of them have
those
this.
Never forget those
The disabled are cussed the disabled to Rasta Jah.
ants.
I never seen nothing so yet.
But hello, anything me do for you in the past, I did it from my heart. And my conscience is clear. Me not hate it myself. Just know say,
So-
you good, me good, we are good.
So you allow Marcia to speak of what you have done for her. And it's nothing much. Which is not the first I heard her speak of it, that she reached out to you when she were having some glitch or some problem in sorting out something where our channel is concerned. And she did say you never end up work it out. The problem whenever you work it out. She reached out to you, but whenever you work out the problem. She said her friend, little 14 or 13, some teenage child, and them did end up work out the problem. And she praised the little young person, because I don't remember if a female or a male, that, you know, them did work it out fair and you as an adult couldn't work it out. And she come back again. Now she a try to hide the identity. But Marcia did don't talk, it's just that people might have to go back here if you did call name Marcia. But you did don't say your friend in Florida with a little 13 year old. So no identity no in that we hide. Unless somebody will did support him too. And you know want him know say she did a mingle with you. But and if you do more than that, come out, come talk. Make the public know. Because you don't say you do fear and you do fear and you do fear and she no remember. So it don't make sense you hold back now. Because them say you don't forgive people things and talk about it, you know, you must do nothing and talk about it. But at the same time, bear in mind, I am not going to do something for somebody where what I have done for them, I consider it something great. Because at the time, the position what they were in, when I assisted them in whatever way I did, I see it was a great deal. Because there were nobody else to help them out of that dilemma. And if time to come and we have a little difference and you're going to come out here and behave like I have never done anything for you and speak up a lot of, just saying me not do nothing for you, I might just keep myself quiet and nobody say nothing and just, you know, make God work. But if you're going to come out here and try to paint a picture as if, you know, it's like, oh, you do this to me, I never do nothing for you, or you know, you just try to bring me down. No, sir, me not take that. Me I tell the people them say if the 21st, the 25th of December 19-0, when you die your yard and call me, your sister, your uncle, your nephew, your mama, they around there so cook one big pot of food. And them never share none, give all you beg them. And I me a call and me left and way walk your little food come. Just saying, you know, because them say you must cost people about food. But just using that as a reference. And you're going the most way like, I have never done anything for you and your mama and your family, your whole generation, sin narration, and all kind of ration. Cook big pot of food and never give none of me. Have left and way you probably one next parish carry look come give you or carry something come do something for you. Come on. If you take sick and there and you're in your whole surround a generation and them not look upon you me and you're going let me not do nothing for you and me not related to you. When your generation they were related to you, even your mama will birth you and them never look upon you and me left from way where you call for come do it and I go and me do nothing for you. No man, me I gotta take it tell you. Me honestly tell you that. Me I gotta take it tell you. Them say memories don't live like people do. But it always remember you. Remember that. So me I gotta take it tell you. So talk the way you know you do for her. Because she say you don't do nothing for her, bro. And it seems like oh you attack. Well, a lie she say. You use her content back in the days. And like when Christmas time you used to send her like a $50 come give her or like a money come give her when she said she want like a decoration. Because then the time that she beg decoration smart, go like she smart, she beg money hard in a Christmas, you know, one time gone, you know. She beg for buy all balloon, like she smart. Remember them sitting the cheaper Walmart, Stalmart told me you know talk all about. Probably all one time can give one big bag of balloon can decorate the whole of Sandals Resort. And you come on platform I beg that. So she claimed to say them used to send her like a $50 to them used to use her. So I don't know if that she talk about. And I don't know if that Dewiesha talk about and I hold against her, but she already says that. So I don't know. I feel them passa I know my own. I know Derek or Maka own. I feel them passa.
My life will go on, your life will go on. And I just eat that and just eat that. Big up yourself, just don't say enter them a beat you. Me now come to come talk again for you. And hello, I was told.
I don't time different master have it true. Enough time. Enough time different master.
Sometimes me feel serve people too much. And people like you don't deserve the sympathy. So yeah man, go and do the thing.
Master can't team.
Go about the business. Go about the business. Go about the business.
So all who are running a master and feel like master can't team. Master can't team. She has proven this day in the house she cannot team that.
Find something one tell me. Find something one tell me. You cannot cost.
Don't try tame her, she cannot tame. The simplest of things she will misunderstand and get at you. Not care what you do for her.
Social media beggar, social media scrounger, you can't cost me. Somebody will use
In Gambaka country.
and scam the people 30 million, you can't cost me.
In Gambaka country people.
Keep it cute and big up yourself, yeah. My God. If you don't like, thanks.
Anyway, people, wanna bless upon yourself also. Come to the end of another video. Wanna know what to do? It is so easy to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. It now costs no $1. And remember, please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. And remember, life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription. It gone right. It moved from last night to this morning. It was 104 more. I see one more somebody subscribed, so she gone down to 103. It is moving slow when it could have moved faster, but if it even moves slow and at the end of the Christmas she still get it, no problem. Just help her to reach at 1,000. Help them, because it's more than one of them, to reach at 1,000. They now need 103 from 104 up to yesterday. And remember, Life is a Mission TV, which is my backup channel. Go over there, very refreshing channel, family oriented. You know, you get every little thing over there, away from pasa, newscast, entertainment, you know, commentary and all, drama. You name it, cook vlog, you know, and sightseeing, and the big one still working on. Nothing never done before time. Someday, when I have to choose if I have one day a week to give you know an outdoor river vlogger, you know, a seaside vlogger, you know, a hilltop vlogger, something like that. It a work pan. You understand? Yeah man, it a work pan, no worry. And remember, the channel also extended to TikTok. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok. A lot of things is happening over there. Sometimes I post all 3 videos. The videos are like 3, 4, 5 minutes sometime. You know, speaking of social affair, public commentary, you know, things in general that is happening every day in and around your surrounding, in your eyesight. Whether it have to do with government, it have to do with the public and a whole, it have to do with individual, it have to do with gender, you know, a lot of things over there where me talk. And that is where I start my channel from day one. So I'm go over there and go follow me on that. As me say, when you make me reach 1,000 followers over there, I will start go live on a regular basis over there. And I don't know why I miss that, because by then, remember now, music is not a violation over TikTok. So I can just do something and some live thing I go on and I just go boom and click my live. I want to see like on there with me. Because them feelings are more better than when you see the video still. You know, I tell you that, you know. Because them time they nothing no filter out unless me I cut the live or I go move the live from where take place there. So it's like you know watch a live movie. So go over TikTok, go follow me. And remember, Charms and Trends, support. It's a festive season for give back. And you just want a special gift for your loved one that they can look on and feel a part. Not just an ordinary gift. So you go for Charms and Trends, you get things customized over there. Your husband picture, your wife picture, your kid picture, your name, anything you want, you get it over there. What better place to stop for a customized gift? Tumblers, wine cups, tea cups, buckles, accessories, you name it. Phone cases decorated, specialized for your needs. You understand? Anything customized. Just go over charmed _and_ trends on Instagram. Just go in at the DM, quick customer service, ask some more details. And remember, shipping. And remember, you can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Alright, bless upon yourself. Tomorrow again, as I said, I have one video with Sophie and Leggy. But I mean, I know. This week just get hot. Last week did calm, but this week I hot up. And I just feel like this week are the warm up week going into next week, you know. Because you see, where's the cake season kick off, you know. Going into next week, it'll go even hotter. Go right back to Christmas. So I prepare feet and all strain. Who can sit down and I go laugh and drop off a chair? I want to buy a chair. We have seat belt like car and strap down on yourself. Alright? Bless up. I'm out.